Good morning. Welcome to English lesson for the 7th grade. Selamat pagi anak-anak, ketemu lagi pada pelajaran bahasa Inggris di kelas 7. As usual, before we start our lesson, let's pray. Seperti biasa, sebelum kita mulai pelajaran, marilah kita berdoa. Start, mulai. Finish, selesai. Previously, we have learned reading talking about the past between Julia, Grand, and Granddad. Pelajaran kita minggu lalu ialah membaca dialog talking about the past antara Julia, kakek, dan neneknya. Lesson today, we are going reading means of transport and around the world in 80 days. Materi kita hari ini yaitu membaca sarana transportasi dan mengelilingi dunia selama 80 hari. The learning objective. First, students are able to make other example of the vocabulary of transport. And the second, the student are able to make conclusion about around the world in 80 days. Tujuan dari pembelajaran adalah siswa mampu membuat contoh lain tentang kosakata transport dan mampu membuat kesimpulan tentang around the world in 80 days. Now, I'm going to give you within 5 minutes to read about means of transport and around the world in 80 days, page 88 and 89. Sekarang, Miss kasih waktu kamu untuk membaca selama 5 menit tentang means of transport, sarana transportasi, and around the world in 80 days, yaitu mengelilingi dunia selama 80 hari pada halaman 88 dan 89. Don't forget to pause your video for a while. Jangan lupa berhentikan videonya sejenak ketika kamu membacanya. Well, if you have read it, now listen to your teacher read. Jika kamu sudah membaca, maka dengarkanlah gurumu membacanya sekarang. Page 88 pada halaman 88, means of transport, yaitu tentang sarana transportasi. Bike, bike. Coach, coach. Scooter, scooter. Boat, boat. Helicopter, helicopter. Train, train. Bus, bus. Lorry, lorry. Tube, tube. Canoe, canoe. Motorbike, motorbike. Fun, fun. Car, car. Plane, plane. Please open your notebook and write this vocabulary on your notebook. Harap dibuka buku catatannya dan tulislah beberapa kosakata tersebut di buku catatan kamu. Now, let's we read page 89, around the world in 80 days. Sekarang, mari kita membaca halaman 89 tentang around the world in 80 days. Around the world in 80 days. At 7:25, Phileas Fogg said good night to his friends and left the club. At 7:50, he opened the door of his house in Savile Row and went in. "Mr. Fogg, is that you?" said Passepartout. "We must go to Charing Cross Station immediately. I want to make a journey around the world." Passepartout didn't understand him. "Round the world?" he asked. "In 80 days, said Phileas Fogg. "We must go now." "Now." "But your bags?" "I need one small bag." Bring my coat. Wear strong shoes. Move. At 8 o'clock, Pastor Partout was ready with a small bag. A quiet life he took. Where is my quiet life? Phileas Fogg didn't have a lot of things for the journey. He took the bag from Pastor Partout and put a lot of money and a railway and ship timetable into it. Then he gave the bag to Pastor Partout. At the station, Phileas Fogg saw his 5 friends from the club. You are here to say goodbye? That's kind, he said. At 8:40, Phileas Fogg and Pastor Partout got on the train, and 8:45, the train started. Now, let's we do fit and fresh, follow the movement, and have fun. Sekarang, mari kita lakukan fit and fresh, ikuti gerakannya, semoga menyenangkan.
Tepuk masker. Gemas-gemas gerakan pakai masker. Tutup hidung, tutup mulut dengan masker. Hindari virus ganas si COVID-19. Ayo tutup mulut hidung dengan masker.
For the quiz is, what kind of transportation do you use most often? Exercise time, waktunya latihan. First, make 2 other example means of transport. Yang pertama, buatlah 2 contoh lain dari sarana transportasi. Second, yang kedua, make conclusion of around the world in 80 days. Buatlah kesimpulan dari yang sudah kita baca tentang around the world in 80 days. Write in your exercise book. Tulislah di buku latihannya. Remember, ingat, for students who choose full online class, the exercise is collect directly on Discord. Untuk siswa yang memilih kelas full online, maka latihannya langsung kumpul di Discord. And for students who choose a consultation class, collect your exercise at school when you take a consultation class to a schedule. Dan untuk siswa yang memilih kelas konsultasi, kumpulkanlah latihanmu di sekolah ketika kamu mengikuti kelas konsultasi sesuai jadwal yang sudah ditentukan. For next lesson, we study about clothes. Pelajaran kita minggu depan yaitu tentang clothes. See you next week and thank you. Terima kasih.